Today's exciting video 2, MPI Hellcat lid. As I mentioned in the car, we did more R&D and testing than I thought we were going to do. I'm dressed like this today because we're having a little barbecue Thursday before Labor Day, and we've got our 92-year-old founder of our business coming today to hang out with us. We're going to commemorate him today, so today is kind of exciting. But back to the car. So Daniel and I just went out. We did some more video work to capture the new lid. It is installed. We're going to talk about some of the intricacies of the lid here in a moment. I will start by saying I am thrilled. Had the car modified a little bit, did upper lower pulleys, injectors, E85 conversion. The thing I really like are catless mids from Stainless Works, great product. So the car sounds a lot better. The only downside to that is in the car you can't hear the lid as well because of the exhaust, but we captured video today that I think is going to squash that issue. So the car rips, and you can hear the whine. I don't think that was a Hellcat Durango, but 392 nonetheless. You can hear it on the way down. You know, last time we were loafing between 2,000 and 3,000 RPMs. You could hear the lid. You can hear it. The front of the car, you can definitely hear it. So I can't wait to hear that camera. But it screams. The lid sounds better. It's just got a crispier whine to it. It's louder. And we also think we got some power out of it. And we'll talk more about that probably in a third video after we do some more testing. The lid looks great under the hood. I've had it out and about. People have looked at it, said, what is that? It looks awesome. So getting a lot of good feedback on the lid itself. And the builder and tuner thought it performed great, sounded great, and was blown away by the dyno numbers. So this car was essentially stock during video 1. The only exception is cold air induction and catback exhaust. So the snout issue I referred to, very visible here. You can see there's interference on the 2 corners because of the height of it, which is interfering with my hood, which I'm not real happy about because it's a brand new car, but we'll get that squared away. So some kind of redesign is going to happen here very quickly, where we're going to slope this down to where it doesn't interfere with the hood. Good news is the lid itself is fine, clearance everywhere, and it's taller, so we get more airflow underneath there, and you know, that should in theory help power as well as sound of the lid. So it's just a redesign here, which we've already started to brainstorm on what that's going to look like, and I presume we'll do that this fall. We'll do more production prototypes this fall and over the winter, and next year we're going to be ready to sell these things, maybe sooner. But as you can see, otherwise, outside of the aesthetic issue here on our beautiful powder coat, the lid looks awesome under the hood. Really happy with the way it looks, and that's one of the 3 factors that we're going for with these lids. Again, power if you can get it, and we think we did. We're going to prove it. Blower whine, definitely got that. And then cosmetically under the hood, it dresses things up really nicely. So mission accomplished so far. Thanks. Stay tuned for the next video on the MPI Hellcat lid.